Welcome to 4.NBT.3 tutorial. 4.NBT.3 is the standard that says students can round to any place. Well, when rounding a number in a place, we have to remember two things. 4 or less, that means 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, you let it rest. You leave it alone. If it is 5 or more, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, you add one more to that identified place. So looking at question 1, which numbers round to 16,000? Select two answer choices. Well, the first thing that is important is that we need two answers. We must have two answers. Now, our problem does not tell us exactly which place, but it does give us a number. And our number 16,000, the first digit that is not a 0 is our 6. So we're rounding to the nearest 1,000. So we're going to identify the 1,000 in every number in our answer choice. 5,000, 5,000, 5,000 again, 6,000, and 6,000. We go next door, see what they got. So we go to the hundreds place in each number, and these underlined numbers are going to tell our circled digit what to do. A 5 followed by a 3, that is 4 or less. So our 5 in the thousands will stay a 5. All the numbers in the front stay the same no matter what. All the numbers to the right turn to 0 in our fright. So 3, 7, and 8 turn to 0. We will repeat this process with all 4 answers before selecting our answer choices. 4 in the hundreds tells 5 to stay at 5 because it is 4 or less. 1 in the front stays the same no matter what. All the numbers to the right turn to 0 in a fright. Repeat the process again. 8 in the hundreds, because it is more than 5, makes 5 become a 6,000. All the numbers in the front stay the same no matter what. All the numbers to the right, 8, 9, and 9, turn to 0 in a fright. 1 in the hundred is less than 4, so the 6 in the thousand stays 6. All the numbers in the front stay the same no matter what. All the numbers to the right, 1, 6, and 8, turn to 0 in a fright. Last one, 6 is greater than 5, so 6 in the circled place in the thousands place becomes 7. All the numbers in the front, 1, stay the same no matter what. All the numbers to the right, 6, 7, and 8, turn to 0 in a fright. So we have rounded each of our 5 choices, and 2 of them will equal 16,000 when rounded to the nearest 1,000. And that is C and D. Next question. It says a truck driver traveled 4,273 miles in June. What is that number rounded to the nearest 100? Well, we're going to round it to the nearest 100. And in the hundreds place is the number 2. And 2 is followed by a 7 in the tens. 7 tens tells 2 to go up because it is more than 5. So 200 rounds up to 300. All the numbers in the front stay the same no matter what. All the numbers to the right turn to 0 in a fright. So our answer rounded to the nearest 100 is 4,300, which was A. B rounded to the nearest 10, that's out. This rounded to the nearest 1,000, it's out. So it was either A or C, but C made it stay the same.